Okay, that's about it for this weekend. We got the block all cleaned up. I don't actually have time to think about it. I might actually paint this Chevy Orange. I was thinking maybe Chevy Orange for the block. Maybe leave the heads alone. Chevy Orange for the valve covers and the valley cover. So, if I feel real ambitious, maybe that's what we'll do. Right now, we're all cleaned up for this weekend. The cat's happy about it. She doesn't like all this work going on. Do ya? Complaining about it. Cuts into her nap time. Doesn't it? Yeah, I guess so.